Welcome to beautiful downtown Phoenix. We are at the Artesian Lofts today, and if you stick with us through the whole video, we are going to show you what you can get in downtown Phoenix, Arizona for under $800,000. This property sits right on Central and McDowell. The light rail is right across the street, so there's easy access to public transportation. You get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's actually 3 rooms that are flexible space, and you get 2 covered parking spaces. This building is a smaller building, and it offers a lot of amenities, from a conference room to a gym to a rooftop barbecue space. You're really going to love it, and it has this huge front patio that's overlooking the main central street in Phoenix. So stick with us through this whole video, and you're going to get a sneak peek on what you can get here.
Let's check out this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom loft here in downtown Phoenix. First, you're greeted with this huge entryway for a bench, for your shoes. And then as you walk over here, you have a nice bonus room that could be turned into an office, a music area, a yoga studio, anything that you like. You also have this glass pocket door to really ensure that you have privacy. As you walk into the room, you are greeted with nice tall windows that brings in a bunch of natural sunlight and the views of downtown Phoenix. As we walk over here, you can also shut these blinds to have that more private feel of this room.
Welcome to the living room of this beautiful unit. It's one of the first spaces that you step into, and it's very captivating. It has these high ceilings with this exposed brick. It has a very industrial look, but I think you could really warm it up with some furniture. It also has exposed ductwork that you'll see, and it has these great industrial metal stairs that go up to the second loft. Over here, one of the coolest things about this living room, which is a rare find, is this huge garage door that's going to open up to this big veranda outside. A lot of these downtown lofts don't have a very big patio, but this one literally has a veranda, and it looks right out to the light rail on Central Avenue. Let's step outside and take a look at the outdoor space, the veranda. You'll notice that this space is huge, and this garage door opens right back up into the living room, which is a really, really nice feature. This patio is larger than most that you would find, and it also looks out right onto the light rail downtown here. So you are just minutes away from everything. You can step out your door, hop on the light rail, and be at the airport in minutes. You could be downtown to a baseball game, a basketball game. I mean, everything is literally right here.
We are in the kitchen, which is built for entertaining. You have this beautiful large quartz island, seating for 4, upgraded appliances such as this 5-burner gas stove, your refrigerator, wine fridge, and all of this custom cabinetry. There's room for all of your needs, all in here, as well as pullouts.
As we come upstairs, you are first greeted with this custom primary bathroom, which includes a nice deep soaking tub. It has the dual sinks, a nice shower with custom tile that's spreading throughout the whole bathroom for that seamless look. You have this great big tall medicine cabinet for lots of storage down here. And over here, hidden away, is the toilet.
Now come with me this way to see this amazing loft space. You could be used as your office, a den, another bedroom area. They have a Murphy bed set up here. You have these beautiful windows right out to Central Avenue on the light rail. Of course, you're overlooking your beautiful living room, fireplace below, and then even more views of downtown Phoenix from these high windows.
I want to highlight one of the great things about being on the second floor of this building is here's the gym space that's literally steps from the front door of your apartment, and it's easily accessible to the front door for guests and the guest parking, which is right out here. You can also take the elevator if stairs are an issue. And in addition to that, the units down here and to the left, but you have this great conference room that you can access too. It's one of the many benefits of living here. And finally, we are at the primary bedroom. This is a really big space. It's got nice wood floors. It also looks out toward the south downtown, and it has a view over the entire living room that you'll see that looks outside to the light rail up front. So personally, if it were me, I'd probably maybe rearrange this room a little bit. I'd put the bed in the middle of the windows, or maybe I'd put the bed over here. I'm not a big TV person. If you did put it in the middle of the windows, you would have this view, but I think this would be optimal because you'd be looking right out to the city from your bedroom window, which is super cool. So there's plenty of room in here for lots of furniture. Through here is a really big walk-in closet. We'll give you a nice shot of that so you can see that. And attached to it is the laundry room, which has tons of storage. This house has a lot of nooks and crannies, lots of great storage. This is a full-size laundry room. And you'll see if you're interested in this property, reach out to our team and we'd be happy to help you. Don't forget to like this video below and subscribe to follow our new videos. Have a great day.